Hi, Ron One here in the Little Weird shop again with some more upgrading of some of my weapons. I've been going through a whole bunch of them, changing some sights and doing some other things. I've done Rossi Wizard 4570, you can check the video on that. Done a Ruger Mark III 2245. I did my Glock 43 that I carry almost every day. I carry something every day, but that one most of the time. What else have I done? Oh, my FNX Tactical 45. Upgraded that. So now, this is my KelTec 2000, Sub2000, 9mm, Gen 1. I've had it quite a while. Takes the Glock mags. A couple things I've already done to it is I've just got this cheap little NC Star flashlight and red laser here combination. Comes off really easy. I put on a long time ago Red Lion's fore-end with Picatinny rail top and bottom. You can check them out if you want. They make it for Gen 1 and Gen 2 now. This standard side is just folded down right now because, well, before I go into what I'm going to put on it, I've got a Hogue rubber grip slipped over here and kind of a handmade little sling here with just some camo tape on it. And I think that's all the changes I've done so far. What I'm going to do today is I had a Fastfire 3 on it that I pulled off and put on my 2245 Ruger. So I got this primary arms sight, and I'm going to give it a try. It's a 2.5 power. Here's the reticle, which we'll take a close-up of that so you can see that better. Kind of the reticle it has, and it lights up. You can see it without the light or the reticle. You can turn different powers on the lighted reticle. And here it is, right here. Here is the sight right here. Comes with the little flip-uppy gingy boppers here. So, it doesn't take too long. We're just going to put this thing on here. You know what I mean? And I already kind of looked at it for get it on the right way here, for the where to put it on here, and all the way back here works. And it's got some nuts over here to tighten her down. So there's that. Doesn't look too bad on there. I think I might like that on there. And then we just got to tighten these nuttos up here. Not over tighten, you know how that goes. I'm the king of over tighten. There. So, see how that looks on there. Of course it's unloaded. Jeez, I've checked it 50 times. Oh yeah, that's good. I think that's a good distance. I think the height is good. So, hopefully I'll get out and shoot this here pretty quick to check it out, and if we do get it done pretty soon, I'll include it in this video. If not, we'll make a separate little quick video. But just one change to my already somewhat altered Sub2000 9mm Gen 1 KelTec. So there we go. Check us out again. Thanks, guys.